Hey guys, picked up a couple more projects. I actually found these at the scrapyard. Both electric. But I'm going to convert them both to gas. Should be easy. Definitely going to be some fun projects. Yes, I'll have to find some tires for this one. Both the same setup. I got this golf cart axle I might swap in. Take that electric one out. This one has forward and reverse and neutral. Perfect candidate for a Predator engine. I also tore down a pop-up camper. This was a pretty large one. Had a tandem axle on it. But it's actually between tires. It's 5 feet and 14 feet long. Back to about here. That'll make definitely a nice large trailer. If you guys want to see a video of me making a build out of this, hit me up in the comments. I'm also working on this 1999 Polaris Explorer 300 4x4. Wouldn't start when I got it. Seemed like it had compression. I decided to tear the top end off. And as you can see, the piston shot. So I have all the new parts coming. I'll get that back together and it should be rideable. So that's what I'm working on. So eventually I'll get some golf carts. And I'll show how I'll convert those over to gasoline engines. So just stay tuned for the videos. I'll try to get them as quickly as I can. I am in the process of moving to a new house. We're having one built. So things might slow down for a little while.